In late September, the Cumbre Vieja volcano on Spain's La Palma erupted into a fury of red-hot lava and ash. For 2 weeks after the initial eruption, lava singed through farmland, roads, and homes on the southwestern part of the island, reports NASA's Earth Observatory. The volcano is currently still active and has continued to inflict chaos and pose a threat to the archipelago. After scorching more than 2,000 acres of land, including residential areas, thousands of people had to flee. Those who have stayed on the island are at risk for earthquakes, lava flows, acid rain, toxic gases, and ash. La Palma has been erupting for more than 6 weeks and still shows no signs of stopping. As seismic activity continues to increase, La Palma could be hit with an earthquake measuring a 6 on the Richter magnitude scale, report Guillermo Vega and Ana Torres Menarguez for El País. Just 1 week ago, a 6th lava vent opened up, and part of the volcano's cone collapsed, causing more magma to overflow. Scientists captured various photos of the volcano's superheated plumes of ash and gases called an eruption column. A photo taken by NASA on October 1 shows a bullseye-shaped cloud of ash around the volcano. More recently, ash plumes have spread across the Atlantic Ocean. The European Space Agency released an image that shows how far the plume has spread since the volcano began erupting. When the volcano, located on the Canary Islands, began erupting, plumes of sulfur dioxide traveled towards northern African and southern Europe, eventually hitting some parts of North and Western Europe, reports Molly Taft for Gizmodo. A shift in the wind changed the direction of the plume in early October and is now traveling 5,000 miles across the Atlantic Ocean and over the Caribbean. Its possible change in the winds dampened the Atlantic's hurricane season, but more data is needed to confirm this hypothesis, per Gizmodo. In general, the sulfates from volcanic ash, or from wildfires, would help promote cloud development in convective systems, such as hurricanes, as they serve as seeds for cloud droplets, Dustin Grogan, an environmental sciences expert at the University of Albany, told Gizmodo. There are, however, several studies that have investigated aerosol effects on hurricanes associated with dust, originating from the Saharan desert. La Palma's volcanic eruption has also affected the island's economy. Half of La Palma's economy depends on its fruit exports. However, the volcanic heat and ash have ruined the island's crops. La Palma's pristine salt flats located on the island's south end have turned black due to volcanic ash. The site is one of the island's most visited tourist locations, Silvio Castellanos and Juan Medina reports for Reuters. When the ash fell, we were about to collect the salt, but it completely covered everything, creating a crust on top, and we cannot separate the salt from the ash. It has completely penetrated the grain. It's impossible to separate, Andres Hernandez, the manager of Salt Flats Salinas de Tenaguilla, to Reuters. A total of 220 tons of salt is unsalvageable.